In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay not scanning. First, make sure your camera lens are clean. Dirt or smudges can block the scan. Next, good lighting. Make sure you're in a well-lit area. Next, hold card properly. Align the card with the camera frame and hold it steady. If none of that fixes the issue, restart your device. This can fix minor software issues. If scanning fails, you can add your card manually. Go to Settings, Wallet in Apple Pay, add card, then enter card details manually. If none of that again works, update your iOS. Install the latest iOS version from settings, go to general, then software update. Then, lastly, check your wallet. Make sure your wallet isn't restricted. Go to settings, screen time, then allowed apps. If it still doesn't work, contact Apple support or try a different card. And that's it. That's how you fix Apple Pay not scanning.